excessive rainfall is possible. In the following areas: Ashtabula Inlet, Ashtabula Lakeshore, Cuyahoga, Cheewaga Lake, Cheewaga Lake, Mahoning, Portage, Stark, Summit and Trumbull, and Northwest Pennsylvania, including the following areas: Crawford, Northern Erie, and Southern Erie. When, until 10 p.m. Eastern, excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Additional details: several rounds of thunderstorms are expected this afternoon into this evening. Most of the area will receive at least 1 inch of rain, with localized amounts as high as 3 to 4 inches. These higher amounts may lead to localized flash flooding, especially in urban corridors and other flood-prone areas. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood for flood safety and preparedness information. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.